What's good, YouTube? Yeah, I gotta hurry up, go get my hair did. But anyways, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, High Yourself. I'm back with another one. Back with the Road to 100K D series. But my fault, y'all. I'm having a wild hell day right now, man. Put my shit in a ponytail before I went to sleep, and it's just acting real wild now. Yeah, nah, but it's cool though. So this is how we gonna do it now. This is how I'm gonna look for today, type shit. You feel me? Trying to look at least a little presentable. You feel me? All right. But anyways, though, y'all, how y'all doing today, man? How are y'all doing? Let me stop messing and fondling with my hair. It looks super wild though. Shit throwing me off a little. Anyways, man. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Higher Self, and I'm back with another one. Back with the Road to 100K the series, which is now interconnected with the Road to getting funded. So they're both the same thing. They're both the got the same end goal for right now, so we can build our capital. So it's the road to 100K and then the road to getting funded, which is both like the same playlist or same type of content. It's just a different route, and we trading on futures now. It's about 6:49 right now. I woke up at 6 a.m. Did my regular, got my meditation in, brush my teeth, all the regular shit, man. You know what normal motherfuckers do. Worry about their hygiene and shit like that. So got all that shit in today. Didn't look at. I took a look. I scanned the charts a little, skimmed through the charts just a little. So we gonna get our top down going. But before we get into the top down, I gotta ask y'all, man. Have y'all been working on yourselves, bro? Like, have y'all been doing the work necessary to get back to your higher self? You know, that means doing your shadow work. You feel me? Exercising day in, day out. Educating yourself, learning new knowledge, true knowledge. Trying to learn some type of new skill. Just not staying complacent, just trying to be better, become a better individual because the world needs it, man. The universe needs it. We gotta clean this planet up. It's contaminated with a lot of negative energy and a lot of negative spirits. So we gotta do our shadow work. The ones I'm talking to, the ones that are chosen, you feel me, and we'll be doing some type of light work some later on down in life, or if you're not doing it right now, or if you're doing it right now. So we got to be better though. We have to be better. I'm gonna come here every day. I'm gonna ask. I'm gonna demand greatness from you because you are great, man. You're a child of God. So I gotta demand that greatness from you, man. I'm not asking. I'm actually always gonna be coming here demanding it because I wouldn't ask you nothing that I'm doing myself. I wouldn't demand nothing from you that I'm not doing myself. So I'm personally getting 1% better every day. Every day, actually, I'm getting more than 1% better, but we can keep it simple for right now. So, with that being said, 6:51 a.m. Finna get to the charts. We don't have no news today. We only got news at 7:30. So it's only one news event, and then I think we got news at like 10. But we end our trading days at 10. So um, hopefully this video doesn't be that long. So let's just get to the charts. Let's get to the top down. We are looking at gold. Um, yeah, we looking at gold, man. Let's just see what happened. I see it broke this supply zone. We got a supply zone right here. Let's see what yesterday did. Yesterday was we was kind of like bearish yesterday. Slight bearish yesterday, although it's overall bullish. We was slight bearish yesterday. So yeah, yesterday was Wednesday, right? Yeah, we don't trade Wednesdays either. So um, let's just go to the higher time frames. I do see this supply zone right there, so that's intriguing. I see this demand zone as well, so that's intriguing as well. So let's just see what the higher time frames got. Let's go to the, matter of fact, let's go to the 15 first today. Let's see what the 15 look like. I see this high probability demand right here on the 15. Very intriguing. We're gonna see if we can scale that down to the 5. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. What do I see on the 1 hour? See, we've been bullish for sure, for sure. What was that? London or Asian session? I think that's London session. It was bearish, so that was a few days ago though. So we ain't gotta really count that. See, we at okay. So we've been playing on support right here too, at a supply zone, at a 1 hour supply. So that's very intriguing as well today. Yeah, 1 hour supply. Let me mark it off for those who don't know or can't see it. Boom. Yeah, so at a 1 hour supply. Um, then we got this 1 hour candle finna close too, so that's very intriguing. It's not closing in the zone as well, so that'll be very intriguing. Let's go to the 4 hours, see what the 4 hours presenting. Let's take this off. I'll put it back on real quick. Okay, so what the 4 hour got going on actually? Been bullish on the 4 hour. Look at this big gap. This is a huge gap. Doesn't mean it has to fill it today, but that's what I would think that it will want to do. At least that's a huge gap, man. Um, yeah. So if we do get, damn, we trading futures today. That's not personal. Okay, yeah. So that's a big gap on the 4 hour. Come through the 200 EMA. Get this off. Come through the 200 EMA. We've been bullish on the 4 hour. Uh, this shit been playing support, so I don't know. Maybe we'll have a bounce off the 1 hour onto the support level and see if the support level holds again. Or maybe it'll blast through. We're gonna see what happens in these next 2 hours though, for sure, for sure. Um, so yeah, so that's the top down for real. I'm bullish, definitely bullish today. But anything could definitely still happen. Oh yeah, and it's a 1 hour supply that we got right here. So let's mark off news as well too, y'all. So we got news at 7:30, and then we got the New York Exchange open at 8:30. So we gotta get both those events up. I see this 15 minutes of this 15-minute demand, so I'm gonna mark this off to hit that little swing low. Okay. Let's see if we can scale this 1 hour down. So hold on, let me go to the 5 minute really quick. Let's go to the 5 minute really quick. Can we scale this down on the 5? Okay, we can scale this down on the 5, but let's see if we can scale it down on the 15 first. They scaled it down to the 15, and then let's scale this down to the 5 as well. Um, this being scaled down to the 5 would be about like right here. I'm gonna make it that color. So I'm gonna just put some text right here to remember 5-minute supply. 5-minute supply. 1 hour supply. Um, okay, so got this marked off for the 1 hour supply. Got a 5-minute zone. This is what this line is for the scale down on the 5-minute. Um, yeah, we may be a little bit. I don't know, y'all. We ain't gonna talk too early. We're just gonna be ready to take what present itself for real, for real. And then trying to see how I would like to scale this down to the 5-minute for this 15. Maybe I'll do right here. And then this would be the 5-minute. Okay, so we had a break of structure early in the day. Let me clear this real quick. So we got to the market around this point. The break of structure happened over here. So I don't know, y'all. Oh, I feel like we kind of had to be buying today, but we will take whatever presents itself, and if it's high probability, we will take it with confidence, and we will win today. So what I'm gonna end up doing is just adding alerts right there. And then I'll add another alert right here. So we got sale opportunities. We got a sale setup. We got a supply setup, 5-minute that has a 1 hour confluence. And then we have a 5-minute demand setup that has 15-minute confluence. And yeah, so that's basically what we're gonna be waiting on through the day. Now I don't know. We in the middle of price action right now, so yeah, I'm liking this zone right here. Now if we come low and we commit we make some type of new demand zone somewhere a little lower, then I may be confident to get into a buy around that time because we already had a break of structure and we're bullish overall. But I slight do feel like we want to come down and push down. So you know what? I really don't really do this for real all the time. But let's check invest. Let's get on investing.com and let's check. Go on here, see what the technical analysis look like. Say strong buy. Yeah, so it's saying strong buy right now, but you know that shit could change whenever. That shit can always change. It doesn't matter. So that's our top down though. You feel me? Yeah, that's the top down for right now. Whatever present itself, that's what we'll take for real. But it has to be high probability though, y'all. It has to be high probability. Because we're trade yeah. So whatever present itself is will be the setup that we most likely take. But we are looking to get into a high probability trade, a trade that is more so to win, like a trade that has like a 80% win rate. So we got to be patient in the markets, and that's the name of the game now. It's just being patient. So we got our top down in. Um, my nose that he keep itching. What's going on? But yeah, so when the setup really presents itself and I'm about to get ready to execute, that's when I will start recording again, and then we'll see what we get for the day. Okay, so as I'm looking right now at gold, I do see this support level that we are creating, and then let's go to the 15. That's how the 15 look. Got one, two, three, about 4 wicks, really three, because this candle isn't closing yet. Um, it do look pretty good, bro, to take. I don't know if I'm gonna take it though. I don't know. I, should I? Maybe I should see a close first. Maybe I should like go off a close first. Maybe I should go off the close that we get in this candle, right? So if we get a powerful close, I may get in this. We do have news at 7:30, 7:08 right now. I did tell myself earlier in my meditation session that I was gonna wait till after news. So depending on its close, that may be what I do. But I do see like this slight support setup. It has a breaker structure right here. This was the breaker structure. We are in strong buys right now, and then I will really take this up to the 1 hour supply zone for real. But let's see what type of close it gets though. If it don't get a powerful close, which I don't think it is, we got about 30 seconds on this candle left. If it doesn't get a powerful close, then we definitely gonna wait till after news and then see what news can see if news presents a certain setup. And if news doesn't present a certain setup that we like, we'll wait till after the New York Open. But we being very disciplined though, man, and it's not looking good on the close. So we're not even gonna take this. Glad we didn't get in. Glad we was patient. So let's just do this. That is an okay close, but I don't like that wick though. Like I would have wanted it to close up here at least. Like it closed above this line, so anything can still happen. But I don't like that wick. So what I'm gonna end up doing is just deleting this, and I'm not even gonna overcomplicate things. I'm just gonna wait for whatever. I'm just gonna wait for this to get touched. This demand, this 15-minute demand with the 5 minute zone down to get touched. I'm gonna wait for this 1 hour to touch, and then with this 5 minute supply scale down in it. Low key, let me remember that this is a 15-minute demand. So yeah, y'all. Again, I'm gonna just get back to y'all when a setup presenting stuff. Okay, so we got a touch on this 5 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do that. So if we get a break of this candle, I'm gonna end up getting in. So let me get ready. Yeah, let me get ready. So if we get a break of the candle, I will end up getting in, y'all. I will get in if we get a break of the candle. So let's just stay ready. That was news that did all that, that got it to that point. So I'm waiting for a break of the candle though. That is what I'm waiting on. So being totally disciplined. This is a counter trend move, to be honest, but that doesn't mean it can't hit. The only reason I'm confident in this is because of the 1 hour confluence that we have within this. So let's just see. Got to get a break of the candle, and I'm not even doing this the last candle. I'm doing this candle right here to be totally sure we don't get faked out. Um, so once we get a break of the candle, we will be in. Hold on, you see it's faking out. Got to get that break first. Okay, y'all, we in. Okay, y'all, so we are in. And now whatever happens, happens. Oh, I'm tweaking. This is plastic. Oh, shit, I just tweaked. Forgot this was plastic. This may bust open. I just made some tea and forgot it was plastic and it may bust open, man. It may bust open. I want to see how the 15-minute looks. 15 look pretty good. Whew, it's kind of nerve wracking. I'm not gonna cap to y'all, man. It's kind of nerve wracking. Just a tad, just a tad. Oh yeah, I just tweet. Fuck, I just tweet. Ooh, oh, burning myself. Oh my goodness. So this will be a break of the candle on the 1 hour. So let's just see what it does though, y'all. My heart beating fast as fuck right now. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. I just messed my bottle up, gang, for when I juice my fruits and shit. I tweet. I just put hot water in plastic. I just tweet, not thinking. I don't have no glass either, man. I don't have no glass. So I'm gonna tell y'all what we gonna do. When this trade get to $1,000, we gonna move our stop loss to break even. So we finna move this to break even now. So now it's at break even, and then whatever happens, happens. See if we can get it to. Let's see if it can hit our TP. It's bouncing off that 200 EMA. Oh my goodness. I don't like that. Maybe if it get back to 1,000, we may just get out of this. Heart is beating. Very hard too. This is kind of nerve wracking, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, cause that's a nasty wick. My higher self told me to just hold for my TP though, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm at break even, so if this do end up just coming back up to me, I won't lose nothing but a couple dollars, so that's okay. But I'm gonna go with what my higher self told me to do is just hold till my TP get hit, or at least to that demand zone. Mm, anything can happen. What the 15 look like? Oh wow. It's gonna be disciplined and do what my higher self told me to do. So if this end up hitting the break even, we'll be done for the day. If it do end up getting back up down here, I'm just gonna get out. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to breathe, y'all. This is nerve wracking, man. Like I really need this, bro. I need this, y'all. I was just up 1,000. I could have closed, but I'm being disciplined, trying to let my TP get hit. Now I am in. It will be like a more so break even trade if this end up coming up, but I need this win, bro. I need this win. I need to wheel it down there with my mind, wheel this candle down. Like, hopefully it could just start wicking out. Please start wicking out. Please. I need this most high. Like, I really need this, bro. Y'all understand how much work I've been putting in, bro. Like, being disciplined is not easy, gang. Like, being disciplined so you can become consistent at trading. Like I do a lot of things outside of this that y'all don't see, you know, and this shit ain't easy, bro. This shit ain't easy, man. Like it's a lot of preparation that went into today just so I can get into a winning trade. So I feel like we in a winning trade, but I need this to hit though, man. I really need this to hit so it can not boost my confidence, but keep me up here. Come on. Come on. Please start working out. Please. Please. I need this so much, y'all. I'm trying to stay calm, trying to stay composed, keep my emotions in check because I do have the my shit at break even a little. We'll lose a little. We'll probably lose about $50, but you know, I don't know. I'm trying to stay composed though. It look like it's finna hit. I really needed to start wicking out, bro. Come on, bro. Like I really believe in this setup. It got the 1 hour confluence. I know it's counter trend. I think it's this 200 EMA that that's making it do what it's doing right now. I really believe in this setup though, man. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh. That hurt, gang. That hurt so much, bro. Damn. I don't know. I don't know if I should I don't know whether or not I should call it a day, or I don't know what I should do right now. Damn, for I was up 1,000, gang, and it just bounced off that 200 EMA. It didn't hit the supply zone. I mean, this demand zone or nothing. It just bounced off the 200 EMA. I may give myself another chance today. I don't know. It depends on what presents itself. Um, let's see how much we just lost right there. I could have closed it at break even too, but I don't know if I should look for something else. I don't know if I should give myself one more chance. My rules do say one trade per day maximum, but I do feel like we can win again today. I feel like we can get into another winning setup. I feel like I could redeem myself and make some money today still. Damn, man, we was up 1,000, bro. We was up 1,000, gang. Maybe I should have just took my 1,000. How many ticks did that go? So it went about 38 ticks, man. Oh, that's where the critical thinking skills come in at, because I can take one more trade, or I could just take the little two. I think it was around like $200. I could take that little loss and then just come to tomorrow and try to finish out the week strong and finish the week out strong tomorrow. I want to see if it's gonna start coming back down though, because we still in a valid trade if you really look at it. Hold on. That's the only reason I'm low key still at these charts right now. We still in a valid trade. This is the 5 minute demand. I mean the 5 minute supply. So maybe it'll touch again and give us another entry, maybe chance. Or but it is. Look at this. This does look like some high probability um demand that's forming right now. But at the same time, we don't. We only have this breaker structure. I would be looking for this breaker structure if I want to get into any buys for real, because I feel like that 1 hour supply is kind of strong for some reason. Wow, though, y'all, man, we could. Oh my gosh, gotta put it past us though. So if we gonna try to get into another trade, we gotta put that past us. So let's just see what happens now. Did the right thing, moving our stop loss to around break even. That was smart of us, very smart of us. Um, I can't be mad that I didn't get out when it was at $1,000. I can't be mad at that because that's not my TP. So you feel me? I feel like I did everything right. I feel like I managed this trade the right way. Just ended up losing a couple dollars, a couple bucks on this. So, um, but yeah, though, man, it's a lot that go into this, y'all. This shit ain't easy. I remember one time I was saying like trading is like the easiest, hardest shit I ever done in my life. But now I ain't gonna cap. This shit ain't easy, bro, at all. It's very nerve wracking. It can get very overwhelming. I do got a second touch. Let me see how this 15 is looking, bro. Got about 5 minutes on this 15. So if this end up getting back to this point and giving us another break of the candle entry, I may get back in. I may get back in. I'm not gonna lie. I don't want to quit today, man. I don't feel like I feel like this is a winning setup. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this is definitely a winning setup still. But I gotta see it get back to this point. No, I can't. Hold on. I can maybe get in right here and have this as my stop loss. I don't know though. I don't know what I should do first off. They gotta get back uphill, bro. I ain't gonna count. Yeah, they gotta get back down. They gotta get back right there so I can know. So let's just get ready. So this is where I'm gonna put my stop loss this time. And this is where my buy limit is gonna be at. I'm gonna probably just put it right there actually. So let's just see what happens. We are back in though, y'all. We are back in. Hopefully this can win. So 45 and then 45 will be right here. I'm gonna keep it right here, bro. I'm gonna keep my buy limit right there because that wick is nasty. That wick is very nasty. So we are back in. Um, hopefully we can just get a win. We can hopefully this can win. You know, we not hoping. We did a nice technical analysis on this. So we in a winning setup. So maybe this could win, right? That's nasty though. I gotta see a nice close, bro. I gotta at least see a close above this candle. Wicks, Wicks is a big no-no. Then we got news in 30 minutes. So this has to win before news. Mm. I gotta do my normal stop loss. I mean my normal TP, and this what we'll do. Put it back right there, just like that, y'all. Okay, so now whatever happens, happens. So it started going back into profit, so that's good. Now whatever happens, happens, and we just gonna live with the results for the day. Boom. Let's go, gang. Let's go, gang. Look at it. It started wicking now. I don't care what happens now. Let's just get off the charts. I'm finna close this shit out. I don't give a fuck what happens. Let's go, gang. Let's go. No, I'm tripping actually. I gotta see how much I made. I'm tripping. I gotta see how much I made. Thank you, Most High. Thank you. I'm so grateful. I'm so appreciative. Gotta pat myself on the back. Give myself a big hug. Why? Because y'all don't see the work that I put in outside of this, bro. I literally do a lot of things outside of the charts, to make to be in these market to be in the market discipline, bro. I do a lot. Even like today, I have to do a lot, bro. Like my day isn't over, man. My day just started. We woke up, we meditated, we did some other things, got our mind right, got to the charts, we waited, was disciplined for a setup to happen. We ended up losing the first one low key. Although it wasn't a real loser, we ended up losing the first one because we set our stop loss a little above break even, a little below break even. Then it just got us out. So we got back into the trade and it just got us out. And now I had to go ground myself. I had to go humble myself, put my face in the dirt, um, give all praises to the Most High. What else I had to do? I also had to go to the park. I gotta go work out, man. I gotta go put in some more work, man. My day not over, and then I got work later on the day. So I gotta get this video up. I gotta go exercise, do my daily regimen. I gotta go ground myself, and then I gotta go put my face in the dirt and ground myself and humble myself. Give all praise to the Most High, man. Um, I'm very grateful though, y'all. I'm very grateful. I'm sweating like a motherfucker. I am super grateful though, to just be able to be in this position, to be able to make money like this. And the goal is to get funded, man. That's the path we're on. And when we get funded, we can't stop there. We still got to do everything disciplined and everything in the right way because we have to get a payout. And we have to get multiple payouts. We can't, one payout is not enough. Two payouts is not enough. Three payouts is not enough. I need unlimited payouts, honestly. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't even want to blow the account once we get this funded. But we will get this account funded. You see what's going on. So we're 2-1. Um, I really count this as 2-0, but we're 2-1 because we technically lost some money today. Um, you see how we managed our trade though. We did everything the right way today, bro. So with that being said, man, this video is already long in itself. It's your boy Higher Self. Peace, light, and love to whoever is watching. Should I do a should I do a trade breakdown? A trade breakdown on what I did? Yeah, fuck it. We'll do one. We'll do one. Trade breakdown of what I did today. I got to the markets around this time. I looked at recent price action. I seen we was bullish. Um, I definitely seen that we was bullish. We had a breaker structure, so I was really low key looking for buys. I had like a buyer's mindset, but it's not always good to be biased in the market because anything can happen. Just like today, you seen we got into a counter trend move and it won. And the only reason I wanted to get into this counter trend move is because I checked the 15. When I checked the 15, I seen that we had some demand right here. So I marked the demand off. Marked the demand off. And then I seen also when I checked the 1 hour. This is what I seen when I checked the 1 hour, y'all. Hold on, let me get these markings off. When I checked the 1 hour, I seen that we were at a supply, a 1 hour supply. For those of you who can't see it, or for those of you who are beginner traders, right there. Look at that, boom. So I knew he's at a 1 hour supply. Although I knew we was bullish on a 1 hour, we're still bullish. And if you don't know why we're bullish, higher highs. Hold on, look, boom. We got this low, and then a higher high, and then a higher high, and then a higher high. So we're bullish on the higher time frame confluences, and the higher, I mean on the higher time frames, and the higher time frame confluences. I mean, in the higher time frames are king. I don't know why I keep saying confluences, but anyway. So yeah, we're at the 1 hour. We're bullish. Let's go back to the 15. I seen that we had 15-minute demand. Oh shit. Okay, cool. So right. So we had 15-minute demand that I marked off. And then what else? What else? I marked it. So this box right here, this is the 1 hour supply. What I ended up doing was just scaling it down to the 15-minute, which would have been right there. So this was that 15-minute demand zone. I mean, supply zone right here. So I understand right now when price action is right here, it's bouncing off this 1 hour supply. This wick right here, that hold on, let me can I draw something right here to make so this wick right there, that's the 1 hour break of the candle. I remember because I was looking at it. That's the 1 hour break of the candle. So we already touched the zone on the 1 hour right here. This would be the touch for the 1 hour right there, the 1 hour supply. And then this would have been the break of the candle. But I trade the smaller time frame, so I was waiting for at least a 15-minute break. And then what I ended up doing too as well, I can't forget actually. I cannot forget. So this trade had a lot of confluences. It was counter trend, but it had 15-minute confluence. It had 1 hour confluence. It had 15-minute confluence. All going along with the 5 minute. And then if you look, we got a break of structure too right here to the downside. So we still have breaks of structure to the downside, although it's liquidity right here. This did ended up being so we got one break of structure, we got 1 hour confluence, 15-minute confluence, and then look at this. This is the 5 minute right there, scaled down to the 5 minutes. So we got to touch on that too. It started wicking out. That's what news did. We had news at what 7:30. So that's at this point right here. And let's just see what happens. So let's delete this. We know this next candle is news. Boom, look what news did. It wicked our zone. So all I had to do now, I don't even have to use this 15-minute zone now. All I had to do is scale this back down to the 5 minute. And all I had to do literally was just wait for a break of the candle entry. I remember telling myself that even if this next candle breaks, I remember telling myself that even if the next candle that's the print breaks this one, that candle, I'm not getting in until I get a break of this candle. Okay. So it's pretty simple. I hope y'all picking up what I'm putting down. It's pretty simple. It's not hard. It's not complicated. So let's play it. Got a break of the candle. So we got in right here, literally. Got in right there. Had a 53 tick stop loss and a 53 tick what's to call it? TP. So let's play one more candle. Boom. Once it got to that point in this area, what I ended up doing was moving my trade to break. Oh shit. What I ended up doing was moving my trade to break even. You know, we got to protect our capital. So it was around like right here. It wasn't really break even all the way, but it was close to it. So it ended up playing around. It looked like it was finna wick out a little, then it didn't. So it got us out right. I still had confidence in this trade just because we got another touch on the 5 minutes, so it's getting sellers back in. Honestly, if you really want to be honest, and then it never went past this wick. Look at both of these wicks right here. So it's looking good. And then I looked at the 15 as well. I'm like, okay, no, I've seen this happen before. I've seen this happen before. So, so as I was saying, we still this trade is still valid. I just got out at break even basically, so I still had confidence in this trade. And if this is my personal account, I really don't move my stop losses to break even until my 1-to-1 is hit. To be sure. Um, but now I think I'm gonna start doing it how I'm doing it. Once it get close to the 1-to-1, I'm gonna move it to break even. But that's a whole nother topic. So yeah, this trade is still valid. So I was something in me, something inside of me was telling me to like just close shop and come back tomorrow. Finish out strong tomorrow. But something in me was like, nah, see what's gonna happen. Like this trade is still valid. Like just play it out. I mean, just wait it out. So that's what I ended up doing. Now, at this point on this last candle, I could have got out. I mean, I could have gotten this trade around this area, and I could have had a smaller stop loss. But I wanted to be sure that it was gonna get back to that break even point. So let's just go back real quick. I wanted to be sure, and that was just me being a disciplined trader. Um, so when it got to this point right here, I got back in. It gave me the break of the candle. I got back in. Did I get back in right there? Hold on, let me see. Yeah, once it got back to this point, so I got back in right here. That's where I got back in, but I moved my stop loss this time to this point right here. So I went for 44 ticks. Went for 44 ticks, right? Yeah, so we went for 44 ticks, which was right there, and it got us out with that one candle. So yeah, man, that's what we basically did today to get into a winning trade to win today. I don't know how much we made. I will put it on the screen though. It'll be in the title though, so I'm not really stressing that right now. We can check right now, real quick. We can check right now. We can check right now. So 100. Hold on, is that today? I don't know if that's today, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I think that's yesterday. Is that today? I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not. It don't matter for real because the mission isn't done. The mission isn't complete. Uh, so just to keep this video short, although it's gonna be long, that's all we got for today. The mission is not complete yet, and even when we do complete the mission tomorrow, even when we do complete the mission tomorrow, we're not done yet, man. We got to get a payout. So just because you get funded, you still have to be disciplined, follow all your rules because it's about getting payouts. It's not about passing the challenge. It's about getting payouts. So tomorrow we are looking to hit the market strong. We are looking to get into a winning setup tomorrow, which we will, and we will pass this 50K account challenge. Um, and then that's when the real challenge and journey begins, which is to get a payout. So we still got to be disciplined. We still got to work hard. We still got to do things outside of trading to be able to come into the market and be patient and be disciplined with ourselves and with our setups and with the market actually. So man, really with that being said, that's all I got for this video. Um, Y'all continue to work on yourselves, bro. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna tell y'all that every single day that I get into before I get into a trade, before we get onto the markets, I'm gonna remind you and I'm gonna demand that you become your best and your highest self. Yes, I am talking to you. Yes, I am talking to you. So, I'm only saying this and I'm only demanding this because me personally, I put in the work day in and day out. You know. So really with all that being said, bro, it's your boy highest self, and I'm out.